In the realm of digital currencies, Bitcoin has undeniably emerged as the undisputed king. Its meteoric rise in value and widespread adoption have captivated the attention of investors and enthusiasts alike. While many perceive Bitcoin solely as a speculative asset, there is a lesser-known avenue that allows individuals to generate passive income using this revolutionary cryptocurrency. In this video, we will explore the intriguing world of passive income with Bitcoin, shedding light on several strategies that can help you turn your digital assets into a steady stream of revenue. 1. Bitcoin staking. Bitcoin staking has gained significant traction in recent years. Staking involves the process of holding a certain amount of Bitcoin in a digital wallet, thereby supporting the network's operations and validating transactions. In return for this contribution, stakers earn staking rewards, typically paid out in additional Bitcoin. By participating in staking, individuals can grow their Bitcoin holdings while enjoying the benefits of a passive income stream. 1. Bitcoin lending. Bitcoin lending platforms provide an excellent opportunity for generating passive income. These platforms allow users to lend their Bitcoin to borrowers, who often utilize the funds for trading or other investment purposes. In return for lending their digital assets, lenders earn interest on the loaned amount. Bitcoin lending platforms operate with varying interest rates and terms, providing flexibility for lenders to choose the most suitable lending options that align with their risk tolerance. 1. Bitcoin dividends. Some companies have embraced the concept of distributing dividends to their shareholders in Bitcoin rather than traditional fiat currencies. By investing in these companies, individuals can accumulate Bitcoin holdings and enjoy regular dividend payments. This approach combines the benefits of investing in established companies while also harnessing the potential growth of Bitcoin itself, allowing investors to tap into the burgeoning cryptocurrency market. 1. Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining, once a feasible option for individuals with powerful computers, has transformed into an industry dominated by specialized hardware and mining pools. However, cloud mining services offer an alternative for those interested in Bitcoin mining without the need for physical equipment. Cloud mining involves renting mining power from remote data centers, which handle the mining process on behalf of the user. While cloud mining may have associated costs, it can still be a viable way to earn passive income by leveraging the power of Bitcoin mining. 1. Bitcoin masternodes. Masternodes are an integral part of certain cryptocurrencies infrastructure, including some Bitcoin-based alternative coins, altcoins. A masternode is a dedicated server that hosts a complete copy of the blockchain network, providing additional services to the network and receiving rewards in return. By running a Bitcoin masternode, individuals can earn passive income in the form of regular payouts, contributing to the network's efficiency while accumulating additional Bitcoin holdings. 1. Bitcoin affiliate marketing. Another intriguing way to generate passive income with Bitcoin is through affiliate marketing. As the cryptocurrency industry continues to grow, numerous companies and platforms have established affiliate programs. By signing up as an affiliate, individuals can earn commissions by promoting these products or services and driving referrals. This can include recommending Bitcoin wallets, exchanges, trading platforms, or educational resources. Affiliate marketing offers the flexibility to earn passive income by leveraging your online presence, such as a blog, website, or social media channels, to reach a wider audience and earn commissions for successful referrals. 1. Bitcoin yield farming. Yield farming has gained popularity in the decentralized finance, DeFi, allowing users to earn passive income by lending or providing liquidity to various decentralized platforms. While primarily associated with Ethereum, several Bitcoin-based DeFi platforms have emerged, offering opportunities for Bitcoin holders to participate in yield farming. By depositing Bitcoin into these platforms, users can earn rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrencies or tokens. Yield farming can be a complex endeavor, requiring careful research, as it involves understanding the risks and rewards associated with different protocols and liquidity pools. 1. Bitcoin Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, DAOs. Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, or DAOs, are organizations that operate autonomously, governed by smart contracts on the blockchain. Some Bitcoin-based DAOs have emerged, enabling individuals to earn passive income by participating in the decision-making and governance of these organizations. Participants can hold voting rights, contribute to community initiatives, or provide services to the DAO, and in return, receive rewards or dividends. Engaging with Bitcoin-based DAOs allows individuals to earn passive income while actively participating in the governance and growth of decentralized communities. 1. Bitcoin cashback and rewards. Several platforms and apps offer cashback or reward programs in Bitcoin. These programs work similarly to traditional cashback services but provide rewards in Bitcoin instead of fiat currency. By using these platforms for online shopping, booking flights or hotels, or even dining out, users can earn a percentage of their purchases back in Bitcoin. This approach allows individuals to accumulate Bitcoin over time without making additional investments, simply by leveraging their everyday spending habits. 1. Bitcoin Decentralized Finance, DeFi, Lending. In addition to Bitcoin lending platforms mentioned earlier, decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols have emerged that facilitate peer-to-peer lending with Bitcoin. These platforms operate on the blockchain, eliminating intermediaries and enabling individuals to lend or borrow Bitcoin directly from other users. By providing Bitcoin as collateral or lending it out, individuals can earn interest on their holdings, creating a passive income stream. DeFi lending platforms often offer competitive interest rates and allow users to choose the terms and conditions of their lending activities. In conclusion, the world of Bitcoin offers a multitude of avenues for generating passive income, beyond mere speculation or hodling. From staking and lending to dividends, mining, masternodes, affiliate marketing, yield farming, DAOs, cashback programs, and DeFi lending, individuals have an array of options to explore. However, it is crucial to conduct thorough research, understand the associated risks, and consider personal financial goals and risk tolerance before engaging in any passive income strategy involving Bitcoin. By combining innovative technology with financial acumen, individuals can embrace the exciting world of Bitcoin and harness its potential to create a sustainable and lucrative passive income stream. For more information on how to make passive income with Bitcoin, please click the link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe. Happy investing!